Here's some Artisan Goods trivia. Subscribe. What term is used for handmade paper from Japan? Is it A. Washi, B. Sumi, C. Maki, or D. Suki? The correct answer is A. Washi. What type of glassmaking technique involves layering glass? Is it A. Fused glass, B. cameo glass, C. stained glass, or D. blown glass? The correct answer is B. cameo glass. What cooking method results in a crispy outer layer? Is it A. steaming, B. baking, C. frying, or D. boiling? The correct answer is C. frying. What type of artisan good is typically sold at farmers markets? Is it A. frozen dinners, B. organic produce, C. cheese platters, or D. baked bread? The correct answer is B. organic produce. What is a primary ingredient in traditional candy making? Is it A. honey, B. butter, C. flour, or D. sugar? The correct answer is D. sugar. What artisan product is commonly made with wax and wick? Is it A. crayon, B. candle, C. lantern, or D. soap? The correct answer is candle. Which technique is used for dyeing fabrics using tied knots? Is it A. batik, B. quilting, C. tie-dye, or D. weaving? The correct answer is C. tie-dye. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.